In this tutorial, we will be discussing a useful technique for Excel users, writing vertically in Excel. This technique can be extremely beneficial for presenting data in a clear and organized manner. Let's begin. We're here to make sure you'll be able to use Excel in a quick and easy way, thanks to our digestible video tutorials. If you want to write a piece of text vertically in some of the cells in a data table, first you need to select the cells where you want the vertical text to appear. Next, merge the cells using the option Merge and Center here at the top of the window. To learn more about how to merge cells, check out another video tutorial by Excel Made Easy, which you can find under the title How to Merge Cells in Excel. The link to the video is in the description below. Once merged, click into the cells and type in the text you need to display vertically. Then click on the text again and up here on the ribbon click on the option Orientation. Now you can choose the exact way the text will be displayed. The text can appear vertically like this, or you can use the option Rotate Text Up or click on another option, Rotate Text Down. Of course, the text can be aligned in any way you need. You can also change its size or modify it as necessary. And if you'd like to know how to rotate texts at various angles, we recommend watching the video tutorial titled How to Change Text Direction in Excel. The link to this tutorial can also be found in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and watch other tutorials by Excel Made Easy. Learn how to use Excel in a quick and easy way. Is this your first time on Excel Made Easy? We'll be more than happy to welcome you in our online community. Hit that subscribe button and join the Excel Made Easy community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.